In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Smartsheet Basics, Beginner Training 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. From there, sign into your account. Use your organization's login or single sign-on and complete any verification you've set up. It's quick, and once you're in, you'll land on the home page. Home is your command center. You'll see your most recent items, favorites, and suggested content, plus access to all your workspaces. Workspaces are shared containers where teams keep sheets, reports, and dashboards together with consistent permissions. Sheets are the grid-like place where work happens. Reports pull specific rows from one or more sheets to create focused views. And dashboards visualize key metrics and trends. If you're unsure where something lives, the search bar at the top is the fastest way to find it. On the homepage, explore suggested and all workspaces to understand how your organization groups projects. A helpful mindset is to master each type of asset by what it's for. Use sheets for structured work and data, reports for roll-ups and filtered views, and dashboards for stakeholder visibility. Before building in Smartsheet, you can accelerate planning by leveraging AI on Google Search with Google Sheets. Use the Help Me Organize feature to generate task lists, trackers, or a simple project plan. Then copy or import that structure into Smartsheet. You can also have AI draft formulas you'll translate into Smartsheet staples like index match, if statements, SUMIFS, and COUNTIFS. Let AI draft project descriptions or update text, then paste cleanly into your sheet, report, or dashboard. To reduce manual work, automate with integration tools. Using Make or Zapier, set up flows that trigger when a row is added or updated. Send selected fields to AI on Google Search for analysis or summarization, and write the result back into a cell. Always test with sample rows and add filters so only the right changes trigger your scenario. As you grow, focus on Smartsheet fundamentals. Use index match to reference values across sheets, SUMIFS and COUNTIFS for conditional totals, and nested if logic to drive status and risk flags. Build automations for alerts, reminders, and moving rows based on conditions. Create reports and dashboards to deliver real-time, role-based views. If you manage repeatable projects, learn Control Center for scalable, consistent deployments. Finally, improve AI results with better prompts. Give a clear role and context, specify exactly what columns you need, and include constraints to keep imports clean. Always review AI output and keep a human in the loop for accuracy. With these basics, you're ready to navigate Smartsheet confidently and scale your work with smart automation.